another reason why this is the perfect spot. Maybe you could say something for me? No? Alright, well, you enjoy.
Outside in the rain today, not a clue to where or how. Woke up alone, feeling blue today. What on earth do I do now? What on earth do I do now?
All the way, baby, get up. No, don't just stay down and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get up. So baby, get up. Don't just stay down. No. Yeah. Baby, get up.
The town of Lander, and you can see the movement of the trees behind me. You can hear the wind blowing over, and across the street it is as well. But with the tree line behind me, like directly behind me, it's not even moving my canvas. Definitely the best spot in the campground.
This is by far the best location that I could have chosen for any wind that's coming up. I just need to show you the amount of movement that I'm getting from the trees that are basically blocking. Thankfully the wind is coming from that direction. Every once in a while I get a little bit of a gust that kind of shakes the tarp, but with that amount of wind, this tarp would probably be pulled up from the stakes and blown across the top of the vehicle. And yet, here I sit. Look at the movement on the tarp. Nada.
Come over to have breakfast with me? Huh? What are you having for breakfast? I had cereal and some coffee. That looks like a big breakfast for you, huh? Oh, good stuff. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
All the best, always.
You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?